All right, class, how you guys doing? So we are done with the packet, all right, and that was for 3 weeks, which was long overdue. It was probably like 2 weeks ago, but we are done with the packets. Hopefully, you guys could turn those in. I'm still accepting late work, so now that there's no packet, now I'm going to be able to make up some assignments. All right, so look at Google Classroom for the assignments. All right, so now today's work. I'm only going to give you 3 problems, but I'm going to go ahead and I wrote them all out. So I'm going to give you some examples of what I'm looking for and the problems that I'm going to give you and so forth. Okay? So we're going to solve problems, word problems, using the slope-intercept form equation. All right? So here we got 2 word problems. Okay? The first one says, make sure you, one of the things I forgot to mention is identify or label the x and y variables. All right, variables, very important. Okay, so the slope intercept form once again is what? What is the slope intercept form? You guys remember? Oh yeah, yeah. What is it? What is it? Y equals. There you go. There you go. Nice. Here we go. No. Alright, so that is your y equals mx plus b is the same thing as the slope intercept form. Alright? Now, what you want to do is you want to create 2 equations, because if you think about it, it says Charlie Brown had $17 and saved $3 every month. Okay, every month. And then the other one says Lucy had what? $1 and would save what? Five. Okay, would save $5 every month. When will they both have the same amount? How much will that be? So we got to create 2 equations, okay? So remember, the B is your starting point. So let's go ahead and do Charlie Brown. Okay? I smell smoke in the auditorium. Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown. He's a clown. He's a clown. Charlie Brown. He's gonna get down. Just you wait and see. Why is everybody always picking on me? That's him on his knees. Yeah, that's Charlie Brown. Here we go. So Charlie Brown had $17. So he had, and that's your B, so $17. That's what we're going to start with, okay? The 17 is not your M. Just because it's the first number doesn't mean that it's the M. To read the sentence, all right? The M is like your action verb, okay? What did he do? He saved $3 every month. So the M is 3, and X represents the number of months, right? So X, number of months. Okay, there you go. And the Y is basically the money. Could be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the money saved. All right? So that's that for that equation. I know that's him. Giving 7,11 down so, in the boy gym. Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown. He's a clown. He's a clown. Charlie Brown. Oh man. So now what about Lucy? Lucy had $1 and would save $5 every month. There's your action. There's your M. $5 every month. So $5 every month. So your X could be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And so what did she start with? She started with $1. So Y is equal to 5X plus 1. So now this is basically the equal value method. Okay? since they're both equal to y, I'm going to go ahead and drop the y's and put these two equations equal to y. So 3x plus 17, all right, and
just you wait and see. Why is everybody always
picking on me? Oh yeah, come on. So now let's solve for x. So you got x's on both sides. So I'm going to get rid of the 3x. So I'm going to do the opposite. 3x minus 3x. That will eliminate that. So I get 17 equals 5x take away 3x is 2x plus 1. So now here I want to isolate the variable again, but I need to do the opposite. So opposite of 1 is negative 1. Okay, that will give me a 0, and that will isolate the variable to give me a 2x. So we're going step by step. And what's 17 take away 1? 16. And then divide by 2 because they're together. Okay, divide by 2. And so my x is 8. So x is 8. What does that mean? Your x is number of months. So x equals 8 months. All right. So in 8 months, they will have how much? So now you can use any of the equations, just plug it in. So look, 3 times 8, because x is 8, 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 7 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 41. 41 what? Because that's your y. Y is equal to 41. Well, $41. Right? What if I did the other one? Well, let's check. 5 times 8 plus 1. What's 5 times 8? 40. 40 plus 1? Yeah, 41. So your answer is in 8 months, both Charlie Brown and Lucy will have $41. Okay? So in 8 months, so you write in 8 months, Charlie Brown and Lucy will both have $41. Okay? So you write the sentence. Pretty good? So far so good? Yeah. Oh, hold on. You got better music. Here you go. Here you go. Oldie. Next one. Bum, bum. Okay, so this one, Linus. Okay, Linus. What's up with Linus? Okay, let's see. Hollywood, Charlie Brown, Snoopy. Hold on, Snoop. I'm sorry. Okay, so Linus here had $16. All right, he had $16 and would spend $5 every day. Okay, so again, we're gonna need the y equals mx. Snoopy was in debt. Okay, $8, but started saving $3 per day. Okay. When and how much would they have the same amount of money? So you're looking for the equal. When will they both equal to each other? Okay, that's another way. So again, you have to write the y equals mx plus b slope-intercept form for both. Okay. So we want one for Linus and Snoopy. So let's go for Linus. Linus had $16. So he had $16. That's my starting point. That's 16. Okay. Your action is he spent. He would spend $5. So spending, remember, be careful with the word. Spending is negative. So he's taking away $5 every day from his $16. Now, how about this one? Snoopy was in debt. That means that's negative. In debt is malo, muy malo. So that's negative 8. But he started saving $3 per day. That's your action. That's what he's doing. Let's save it. So $3 per day. So your X is your number of days. Okay, it could be 0 days, 1 day, it could be 2 days, it could be 3 days, it could be I don't know how many days, but that's what it is. Ooh, boom, boom. So now let's put it together. Oh yeah, let's swap the Y's.
And your shoes get so hot.
Here we go.
Wish your tired feet were fireproof.
Under the boardwalk, down by the sea. Okay, so now let's go ahead and solve for x. Remember, it's the number of days. So what does that mean? That the y is money, right? Money, it could be 0, 1, 2, just that's going to be money. All right, money saved, that's fine. All right, so here we go. I got negative 5x and 3x. So I need to get them out. So I got to do opposites. So I'm going to do plus 5x to make that a 0. What I do on one side, I got to do to the what? Other side. Add. Right. So now the variable's on the right side. So I can't divide just yet. I need to get rid of this negative 8. It's like, get out. So plus 8, you add opposites to both sides. So that's 8x equals 16 plus 8 is 24. Then now I divide by 8. So x is 3. 3 what? 3 days. Okay, so far we got 3 days. All right. And now we want to know, well, how much money are we going to have in 3 days? So I could go ahead and put it in this equation. So my x is 3, so 3 times 3 minus 8. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 8. So that's 1. 1 what? $1. And then how about over here? Negative 5 times, what's my x? 3 plus 16. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15 plus 16. I'm going to do the t-chart because I get confused. So I got the 15 is going to be with the negative and the 16 is going to be with the positive. Who has more, the 16 or the 15? The positive or the negative? The positive by how many? Yeah, by 1. There you go.
Under the boardwalk.
So there you go. So my answer in a nice sentence is that they will both have what? $1 in 3 days. Okay? Oh, and another way to write it is x comma y. 3 comma 1. $3. 3 days, $1. Okay? They will both have $1 in 3 days. And that's it. You're done. So now what I did is I developed 3 of these word problems. All right? Don't forget to identify your x and y. What do they represent? So Johnny had 20 turtles. He decided to give 5 away. Ooh, give away. Give 5 away. Careful with that. Every year. Felipe bought 3 turtles every year. Oh, wait. He bought 3 turtles every year. Hold on. Bought 3 turtles every year and had 7. Wait. No. Had 4 already. And then 3 turtles. Had 4. 4 already. Sorry about that. He had 4 already. Okay. Angela found 7 seashells yesterday. Today she found 9 every hour. If Haley had 16 seashells and would find 6 every hour, how many and when will they have the same amount? Ozzy is losing $4 every day. He started with $15. Mona had $20 but started spending. Losing and spending, be careful with that. $6 every day. When will they have the same amount? How much will that be? All right? So that's it. All right, guys.
While your lips are close to mine.
Hello. How about this?
Don't be cruel.
Don't be cruel.
It's true. Baby, for me,
So I'm gonna I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of this, alright? So don't worry about it. Alright, later.